Millions of tomatoes are processed every single day inside modern factories like this.
This is where raw tomatoes enter large-scale food production.
Before processing, every tomato is thoroughly washed. Advanced systems inspect tomatoes for size and quality. Selected tomatoes are crushed to extract pulp. The pulp is collected in large processing tanks. Treatment transforms pulp into sauce base. Checks ensure consistency and safety.
This is where tomato sauce and ketchup take shape.
And this is only the beginning of the process. Base now moves to seasoning and formulation. Recipes ensure consistent taste every time.
Some sauce is processed.
Homogenization, homogenization creates the signature smooth consistency.
Rapid cooling protects flavor and shelf life.
Automation guarantees accuracy at high speed.
Each bottle is checked for proper sealing. Traceability is added to every product. Perfect products continue forward. Products are prepared for distribution. The transformation from fresh tomatoes to finished products is nearly complete.
Quality control teams test every batch before it leaves the production line. Safety tests ensure the product meets food standards.
Advanced scanning systems detect any internal defects. products are stored under controlled conditions.
Every unit is tracked using digital inventory systems. Are prepared for large-scale distribution.
Okay, move that shipment to Bay 2. We need to get this truck out in the next 5 minutes.
These products are shipped to markets worldwide.
From factories to store shelves, the process is seamless.
Do you think this brand is better than the one we usually get?
It has less sugar. Let's try it.
These products become part of everyday meals.
The factory operates continuously to meet demand. Is large-scale tomato processing in action. Modern factories rely on real-time data to control every stage of production, reducing speed to 50%.
Confirmed. Valve sequence initiated.
Automation ensures consistent quality at massive scale.
Pressure reading on valve 4 is still high according to the schematic.
Let me recalibrate the sensor cluster.
Torque is good on the
Strict
housing.
hygiene protocols are followed throughout the facility.
Byproducts are managed responsibly to reduce waste.
Water used in processing is treated and reused efficiently. Many facilities use renewable energy to lower environmental impact.
If we adjust the saturation on the hot sauce, the foil will really pop.
I agree completely. Let's try the retro font on the ketchup label as well.
Packaging plays a key role in product identity.
Every package is digitally tracked for accuracy.
Are secured for long-distance transport. Tomato products are exported worldwide. The journey from factory to market is carefully managed.
Behind every bottle is a carefully planned production system.
Consistency reading here, it's exactly what we wanted.
Yes, and the bricks level is perfect. We can move forward with this one.
New recipes are tested before entering mass production. Every stage is coordinated to maintain efficiency.
Everything is running smoothly. The output on line 3 is slightly up, but within tolerance.
Got it. Looks good. Have a good night.
The factory operates around the clock.
Fresh products leave the factory every day.
Fresh tomatoes to finished sauce.
Moves Ipustake. These products reach homes around the world.
How rich that color is. It smells amazing, doesn't it, buddy? Can I taste it yet?
All made possible through modern food processing.
Efficiency, technology, and scale come together here.
Tomatoes are transformed into sauce and ketchup inside a modern factory. Subscribe for more Inside the Factory documentaries.